the video yesterday. So
Yes.
that's all what I get from data.
Right, perfect. So if we use a GET request, then whatever the data that we are transmitting to the server, they will be exposed in the URL. So which is really unsecure. So if the data
Yes.
that you are transmitting, if it's not, you know, it's not that much of confidential. If it's a public information, then you can use a GET request.
Okay.
But if in case it is private information, or it could be
Mm.
credentials or else personal identifiable information, then you must send it via post request. So if you send it through GET request, all your data will be exposed in the URL. So it's a
Yes,
post
yes.
request is preferable. And I hope you also know how to inspect different kinds of HTTP status codes. Any idea how
Yes,
to
yes,
inspect?
yes. I listened to it.
Okay.
With what you said that we have from 200 to 299, that's
Yeah.
about the successful.
Right.
So if successful, that of the 400, so that's an error. That's an error. So with that code,
Correct.
though I've not really worked on that, but I was with the video yesterday. And
Yeah.
I think what I want to ask is that because you asked a question in the beginning of the video that if someone who has HTML knowledge, so will be is well with the class, can easily go along with the class. Likewise, a little knowledge of Python. So, but someone that did not have that, the class might be somehow difficult for the person to comprehend. Though I have little knowledge about the both the HTML and
Yeah.
the Python.
Python. Right. Yeah. It would be little bit difficult. At least if you know syntax, then that it works perfectly because see, actually, using the ESP32, we need to send some data, all these things, right? Then at least you need to have a basic idea, basic understanding of HTML. So which we will not be able to teach in this particular course, because if you're having a little bit of
Yes.
knowledge, that's fine. And coming to the Python, so we only just gave you in the KiCAD advanced course that you attended in the last session. We just only demonstrated you few examples, like
Yeah.
in KiCAD we can do automation with the help of Python. We can access the PCB file, and we can do a lot of interesting stuff. So I just shown you only, I just presented you only few demonstrations, but I have not went in detail about the program. So in the upcoming course, we'll be explaining line to line, like
Okay.
everything. But before that, you need to have a prerequisite. At least you need to know basics of Python. And I repeat, this is actually completely optional. So this is not actually the core part of the KiCad. So whenever
Okay.
if you just opt in for any KiCad course, usually they only train the user
Okay.
interface and what are the different options, all those stuff. They usually don't go into the scripting pathway.
Okay.
So because this is completely little bit different domain, because here you need to
Okay.
have understanding or programming, Python programming. But still we are trying to, those who are literally interested, for
Okay.
them we are still trying to introduce scripting, and if you just introduce them so that they can do self exploration, and they can learn on themselves if they are really interested and inclined towards this.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the basic thing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 Well, well, if I didn't get it very well, Abdul is a programmer, and in fact, yeah, he's a good programmer, and he told us that if we are having any problem on that, so he will take charge of that. Which I think that if we are facing any difficulty in that, he should be able to guide us very well.
Yeah, yeah. So you're saying that Abdul is a good programmer, right?
Oh, he's a good programmer. He's a software developer.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I know. I think he's working on something like a teachware innovation.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah,
yes. So that's
perfect.
why he said that the aspect of coding is not a problem to him. And we
Yeah,
have
yeah, I
told him
understand.
already that if we are encountering a problem from the class, we'll be getting back to him so that he can explain better to us.
Yeah. Just stay on the call. I'm getting one important call. Hello, Anna. Hello. అన్న
Yes, sir.
ఎక్కడున్నారు అన్న?
అన్నా నేను ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్ ఇక్కడ బయట ఉన్నా కానీ అంటే దూరం విలేజ్ దగ్గర ఉన్నా కానీ మీ అడ్రస్ ఎక్కడ అంటే అక్కడికి వస్తా అన్న
తపో
తొలకలు చేసుకోలేదు
అదే తపోవన్ స్కూల్ ఉంది కదా, ఐడియా ఉంది.
ఐడియా ఉంది ఒకటి
ఎలిమెంటరీ స్కూల్ చిన్నపిల్లలది, దాని పక్కనే అనమాట. అక్కడికి వచ్చినా పర్లేదు.
సరే అన్న నేను అక్కడ స్కూల్ ఉంది కదా అన్న స్కూల్ దగ్గర వచ్చి కాల్ ఇస్తాను.
ఓకే అన్న. మ్యాప్ ఏమైనా పెట్టాలన్న లొకేషన్?
నాకేం వద్దులే అన్న నేను అక్కడికి వచ్చాక కాల్ ఇస్తుంది బ్రదర్ ఒకసారి చెప్పాను అప్పటికి డైరెక్ట్ చూస్తే కావాలి స్కూల్ దగ్గర వచ్చి కాల్
Hello,
ఓకే.
sir.
ఐడియా ఉంది కదా చిన్నపిల్లలది ఎలిమెంటరీ స్కూల్.
Hello, sir.
ఓకే ఓకే అన్న, ఓకే రైట్.
మార్నింగ్ అంతా
Hello, sir.
ఓకే ఓకే అన్న. యా యా. సో ఐమ్ బ్యాక్. జస్ట్ I got another call from admin team. Yeah.
Oh, sir.
So don't worry, I will be taking a hour right now.
Okay.
Okay, so now I will be showing you one thing. Okay. Yeah, I hope you are able to see my screen, right? Hello.
I can see your screen, sir.
Yeah. So now I will be showing you how to receive any data from ESP32 to the server. Okay, I will be just showing you how to do that.
Okay.
Actually, this can be done in
Okay.
multiple ways. So if you have a good knowledge in program, in coding, you can do with the help of coding, or else you can use any kind of online database
Okay.
providers like Firebase or any other thing. So I will show you both the ways how to do it on yourself without relying on any kind of database provider. However, efficiency will be low depending upon the hosting provider that you are using. Okay.
Okay, sir. But I can see your screen, sir.
Yeah.